Okay, y'all, so this is where it got a little tricky for me. I was trying to blend that little bit of hair in with the clip-ins and soon realized that it just was not working out. So as y'all see in a second, I ended up just putting my hair up in a bun and trying to incorporate the clip-ins within my bun. It took me a couple tries to try to finesse it and figure out how I was going to do it to make it look right. So y'all see right here, I'm trying to put the clip-in in between my hair, and that method did not work. As y'all can see right here, it just looked crazy. So I ended up just putting my hair in a bun and actually putting the clip-in in one clip-in upside down, like underneath my bun, and then wrapping the hair around my hair. So that's what I'm doing here, and now y'all see the end results.